Blake Griffin, remember? I mean, come on now. Remember Lob City? Remember all of that? You were there.
I was there.
You
for
were
that.
hosting.
Yep.
You was hosting a radio show in LA for 6 years. You remember Lob City? He was the cornerstone of the franchise. Both of them came up short. Both of them came up short. Never even been in the conference finals, for crying out loud, okay? Even though I think LaMarcus Aldridge was at least once in San Antonio. I'm just saying, when I look at that, and then I see you jumping on this bandwagon, it's something that turns me off about that, because you were supposed to be one of those dudes.
Take those? I mean, are they amusing to you, or are they interesting to you? I mean, this team has gone from people just saying, "Oh, it's cute, they do things the right way," to now people are having strong reactions about the amount of talent that you're accruing here.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of funny to me because for the last couple of years, all I've heard is how bad I am, and you know, you sign with this team, and everyone's like, that's not fair. Like, you like, you know, so it's just people say whatever they want. Like, people don't, you know, I don't really put a whole lot of value in other people's opinions. I trust the people that I trust. If I don't go to you for advice, then I'm probably not going to take your criticism. So I have that circle of people, and I have like that group of people that I trust, you know, real basketball people. And you know, that's who I listen to. I just think it's funny. I guess you could say it's amusing. You know, I can't speak for LaMarcus. I don't know what people have been saying about him, but, you know, that's how I felt when I came here. I was hearing how bad I was, and then now people.